Prahlad Maharaj has explained that Naradasya, it says, Naradasya prasadena shobha vasana naisargiki rati. Rupa Goswami explains the Nectar Devotion, Naradasya prasadena shobha vasana naisargiki rati. That Prahlad Maharaj, how did Prahlad Maharaj become Bhakta Prahlad? How did he become a great devotee? How did he attain Bhava Bhakti and finally Shanta Prem or Shanta Rati? How did he attain? Rupa Goswami tells in Nectar Devotion, Naradasya prasadena shobha vasana naisargiki rati. So we quoted the verse from Bhagavatam that Prahlad Maharaj had natural devotion, naisargiki rati. And then we quoted the other verse which said, Akinchana Sangha Labda, that he attained natural or Bhava Bhakti by associating with Akinchanas. And who is that Akinchana? By Narada Muni. By Narada Muni's Kripa, by the blessings of Narada Muni, Prahlad Maharaj attained Bhava Bhakti. How did that happen? When Hiranyakashipu was terrorizing the universe, he sat down on Indra's throne. And from Indraloka he was controlling and ruling and enjoying the entire universe, while the demigods were all hiding in various caves and different places around the universe. But then he decided that he wanted to get greater, wanted to be better than Indra. He wanted to become God, the famous God complex. So then Hiranyakashipu left Indraloka to perform tapasya, intense austerity. So as soon as he left, all the demigods came out of hiding, and they got all their weapons and they attacked Indraloka. And they ransacked the place and they pilfered everything. All the wealth that he had accumulated. They took everything. And then they captured Kayadu. Kayadu is the wife of Hiranyakashipu. And she was pregnant at the time. So the demigods are thinking, inside the womb of Hiranyakashipu is Chota Hiranya. There's Chota Hiranyakashipu. Already Baro Hiranyakashipu has caused us so much problems, taken our kingdoms and ruined everything for us. What to speak of Chota Hiranyakashipu? So they seized Kayadu and they pulled their swords. They said, we're going to kill this child. We're going to take this woman, keep her in captivity, and kill the child when he's born. And Narada Muni said, wait. Narada Muni said, wait. There's a great devotee in the womb of Kayadu. You release her. I'm going to protect her. So Narada Muni took Kayadu to his ashram.